Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if your Redmi Note 15 5G is heating abnormally while charging. So of course, at first you need to remember that it's completely normal if you are charging your device using the fast charging method. It's because power generates heat, as you might know. So don't worry, but if your phone overheats, that's normal. That's not actually normal. So let's unlock our device. Of course, I do have skill issue. And now once we are here, we need to go straight to the settings. Here we need to scroll down to the battery. So this over here section of this yellow battery icon, and tap here charging options. Here tap wire charging mode and disable here the wire charging mode and set it to standard. So disable fast charging at first. Here now go back and here scroll down. As you can see here, you do have a lot of applications that are processing in the background and lowering your battery percentage. If you do see here any abnormal behavior of any application, for example, you do have here TikTok 50%, 40, 20, even 15% for the whole day. When you use your phone a lot, 15% is a lot. So at first, tap on this application. For example, let's assume that this is TikTok. Scroll down and tap restrict background apps and tap OK. Of course, you won't receive notifications or they will be delayed, and it may cause your application not work properly. But you know, it's just fixing your device problems rather than having it almost broken. So yeah, apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to use original charger and a cable. When using some other foreign ones, like for example from Temu, AliExpress, etc., it's normal for your phone to heat because they send wrong, wrong amount of power to your device, and your phone tries to avoid it and heats up, or manages the temperature to fix your device and power transfer, and it's wrong. So use normal original charger and the cables, for example bought from Redmi store, etc., and avoid using your phone while charging or doing some heavy tasks, for example gaming. Apart from that, here as I can see on this device we do have the case. Try removing the case to improve the heat dissipation from this device, to have your device just more cool, even though it's cool, as you can see right now. And as final tip, I can tell, I know that this is normal actually, but charge your phone in a cool ventilated area, not for example under a blanket. It's because it helps. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.